As you know, we have arranged this program for the announcement of our annual result. We have divided this program into 3 parts. In the first part, our students will recite Hamd and Naat. In second part, our students will share their views. And in third and last part, our students will present tableaus and act plays. Hope all of you will enjoy this program and encourage us. Now we are going to start our program for Tilawat-e-Pak. For Tilawat, I would like to call Mr. Murad. Please welcome Mr. Murad with your clapping. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. صدق الله العظيم. MashaAllah, Subhanallah. He was Mr. Murad, who was reciting a beautiful tilawat with his attractive voice.